India is becoming a manufacturing hub and a preferred destination for manufacturing industries across sectors on account of lower wage, along with skilled labor, favorable foreign policies helping India to attract strong FDI, government's PLI schemes gaining market share from supply chain moving out of China's share of manufactured goods, and finally, government's efforts towards improving on ease of doing business. The PLI scheme for large-scale electronics have emerged as the most successful example in terms of investment, export and employment. India's electronic export has seen a massive jump in the last 2 years. iPhone production in India has gone up from less than 1% of consumption to 10% in 2023. Other top sectors benefiting from PLI schemes are auto and auto components and the pharma value chain. India improved its ranking to 63rd position from 142nd in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business rankings. Factors like GST implementation, RERA policy, bankruptcy law, digitization, and government's initiative to single window clearance, etc. are supporting ease of doing business. Looking at the breakup of India's current GDP, there is only low teens contribution to manufacturing to the same, and thus future upside to manufacturing growth is at the heart of sustained GDP growth rate of India. To tap into the potential of the manufacturing theme, the Tata Nifty500 Multicap India Manufacturing 50-30-20 Index Fund offers an opportunity for investors to participate in this growth story. The fund seeks to replicate the Nifty500 Multicap India Manufacturing 50-30-20 Index, which consists of 75 manufacturing stocks selected from the Nifty500 with maximum market cap limit of 50%, 30%, 20% respectively for large, mid and small caps, and a stock level limit of 10%. Thank you.
NFO opens on 8th April 2024. NFO closes on 22nd April 2024. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.